How to change shipping address in Shein after placing an order. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change shipping address in Shein after you place an order. So let's get started. First, just open up your Shein app, and after you open it up, make sure that you have logged into your account. So just log into your account and then just go to your me section on the bottom right. After you do that, go to my orders, tap on view all. Now here you will be able to see all of your orders. Now here you will see all of the orders that you have already placed. Now under here, if the order has not started being shipped or delivered, just tap here. There should be an edit address option. So tap on edit address, and after you tap on edit address, you can change this shipping address. And yeah, that is basically it. That is how you change the shipping address in Shein after you place an order. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.